have a look at some strumming now. Now, before this lesson, we had a lesson on rhythms, so hopefully you can still remember that. If you can't, go back and watch that video lesson. What I'm going to do today is take you through some strumming with those rhythms. So first of all, we're going to start with a quarter note rhythm. Here it is. So I'm going to keep this in 4/4 time, and I'm going to use an E minor chord. So let me count this in so you can hear how it sounds. Here's a quarter note strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Just going down there with your strums. Next, I'm going to do the 8th note strum. Here it is. The 8th note strum, we're going to count 1 and 2 and, or you can think of ice cream. But what we're going to do with the right hand is we're going to go down, up, down, up. So let me count that in for you by 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So did you notice when I counted that one in, I counted in 1 and 2 and it's a good idea to start moving your body along with that count in 2, so it's not a shock when you start. Let's have a look at the next rhythm, which is a 16th note rhythm. It's the one that goes takapuna, takapuna. So let's count that one in. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So this one we can think of either as counting 1 E and 2 E and or you can think of takapuna, which helps me a lot. Takapuna, 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 takapuna. Let's move on to the last one, which is this one. It's the dinosaur rhythm or a triplet rhythm. We're counting that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So again, you can think of dinosaur, 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 dinosaur. Now the very tricky thing about this rhythm is because we've got 3 beats, we start off by going down, up, down. But then we have to start with an upstroke for the next group of 3. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So get used to that with your hand moving up and down. It's very similar to that last rhythm we did, the takapuna rhythm. As long as you keep your hand takapuna going down, up all the time, it won't be a problem. What you may find happening is if we do this for the triplet rhythm, the dinosaur rhythm, dinosaur, dinosaur. If you do 2 ups or 2 downs, you get very confused with your arms. So make sure you keep going down, up, and that really helps. So when we're playing a song, we don't just want to play one rhythm. It can get a bit boring if we just played 1, 2, 3, 4. So the idea is we're going to pick these 4 different rhythms and see if we can mix them up a bit. So for example, let's say my rhythm was cake, ice cream, dinosaur, cake. Let's try and strum that. So that would sound like this. 2, 3, 4. Cake, ice cream, dinosaur, cake, cake, ice cream, dinosaur, cake. So as long as you remember those rhythms, the cake is down, the ice cream is down, up, and the dinosaur is down, up, down. And then we have another cake. So try that with me. 2, 3, 4. Cake, ice cream, dinosaur, cake, cake, ice cream, dinosaur, cake. Or you could count that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So let's see if you can make up your own rhythm by putting some of those rhythms together. Let's try one more and then you can have a go. So let's try this one. Ice cream, takapuna cake. Let's hear how that would sound. 2, 3, 4. Ice cream, takapuna cake. Ice cream, takapuna cake. So try out some of your own rhythms. Put those rhythms in any different order you like and you'll come up with a great strum. See you in the next video.